Given two zero-index integer arrays nums1 and nums2, return a list answer of size 2 where answer 0 is the list of all distinct integers in 1 which are not present in nums2. Answer 1 is the list of all distinct integers in nums2 which are not present in nums1. Okay, well, this is a hash table question. So do we want to use a hash map or a hash set? Okay, well, we can get distinct 1 equals set nums1, distinct 2 equals set nums2. We can have answer 1 equals, we can just, answer 1 equals an empty array. And we'll say for num in distinct, I think that you can't iterate through a set. We'll say if num not in distinct 2, then answer 1 add or append num. Now we'll just do the same for distinct 2 and check if it's in distinct 1. And then we'll say return answer 1, answer 2. I don't think you can, oh, what? Sorry, if num not in. That'll do it. Awesome.